Dear student, I am Basir Khan, your accountancy teacher, and we will start our topic provision about interest on capital. There are four provision about interest on capital, and first one is if partnership deed is silent, no interest on capital is allowed. Second, if firm has loss, no interest on capital is allowed. And third one is if interest on capital is more than profit, then interest on capital is allowed in the ratio of capital. And last one is if interest on capital is charged on profit, then fully interest on capital is allowed even firm has loss. Now, yes, my student, please check question 35, chapter 2nd. X and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1 with a capital of 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. So the distribution of profit in each of the following alternative case. Case first. Yes, if the partnership deed is silent as to the interest on capital and profit for the year are 9,000. Yes, my student, how to distribute this profit in first case? Yes, we earlier discussed. Now check. First of all, we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, and this is the credit side of appropriation account. Now we record profit on credit side by profit and loss account 9,000. But in that case first is applied. If partnership deed is silent, no interest on capital is allowed, then we have no allowed to interest on capital here, so we have to distribute this profit among the partner according to agreed ratio. Now profit 9,000 is distributed among the partners X and Y in the ratio of 2:1 to profit transfer to partners capital account X and Y. 9,000 2 ratio 1, and 9,000 into 2 by 3 is equal to 6,000, and 9,000 into 1 by 3 is equal to 3,000. Now we close the account profit and loss appropriation. Yes, now we start case second. If the partnership deed provided for interest on capital 6% and the loss for the year 6,000. Yes, my dear student, in case second, yes, if firm has loss, no interest on capital is allowed. Yes. Yes, my student, please check case second. Yes, my dear student, please check case second. In that case, there is loss given in the question. Such situation we have to prepare profit and loss account instead of profit and loss appropriation account. Yes. Second provision we discussed earlier. If there is loss, no interest on capital is allowed. Yes, there is loss rupees 6,000. So we have to distribute this loss among the partner by loss transfer to partner capital account in the agreed ratio is 2:1. That is 4,000 and 2,000. Yes. Yes, student. Check next point, next case third. If the partnership deed provide for interest on capital is 6% per annum and the profit for the year are 9,000. Yes, here provision is given about interest on capital. We have to allow interest on capital 6% and profit are 9,000. In that case, we have to allow interest on capital to the partner. Yes, please check. Yes, my student, please check case third. Here profit are given 9,000 and provision given about interest on capital is 6%. So we have profit. In that case we have to allow interest on capital. Yes, we will start account profit and loss count on credit side by profit and loss 9,000 and interest on capital is provided according to deed 6%. Here X capital is 50,000 and 6% 3,000. Y's capital is 30,000, 6% is equal to 1,800. 4,800 interest on capital allowed to partner, and their profit is 9,000. Interest on capital allowed to partner 4,800. Remaining profit 4,200 will be distributed among the partner in the ratio of 2:1. Is 2800 and 1400. Yes, my student. Yes, my dear student, please check case 4. If the partnership deed provided for interest on capital is 6% per annum and the profit for the year are 3000. Yes, my dear student, in case 4, there are only 3000 profits are given and we have to allow interest on capital 6% according to deed, and capital of X is 50,000 and Y is 30,000. We have to allow interest on capital 6%, then interest on capital X for 3000 and Y for 1800, and total interest will be 4800, but profit are only 3000 given. In that case, we have to allow interest on capital to partner in the ratio of capital, and capital ratio is X capital is 50,000 and Y's capital is 30,000, and the ratio is 5:3. We have to allow here total profit in the form of interest on capital in the ratio of capital. Yes, to interest on capital to X, total profit are 3000 in the ratio of capital. Capital ratio of X is 5 by 8 is equal to 1875, and Y is 3000 profit and ratio of capital is 3 by 8 is equal to 1125. There is 3000. Yes, my dear student. Yes, my dear student, please check the case 5th. If the partnership deed provided for interest on capital is 6% per annum, even if it involves the firm in loss and the profit for the year are 3000. Yes, my dear student, please check case 5th. In that case, there are only 3000 profits are given, but interest on capital is charged against profit. Yes, we have earlier discussed if interest on capital is charged on profit, then fully interest on capital is allowed even firm has loss, and here profit are only 3000 and interest on capital charge on profit, so we have to allow fully interest on capital. Yes, for X 50,000 capital 6% is equal to 3000, and for Y 30,000 into 6 by 100 is equal to 1800. Here total interest is 4800, but we have only 3000 profit. In that case there is loss, and loss is 1800 divided between the partner in agreed ratio 2:1. For X 2 by 3 is equal to 1200 and Y 600. Please mention one things are here. In last case, profit and loss account is prepared if interest on capital is charged against profit. Yes, my dear student, please keep in mind. Be healthy and be safe. Stay at home. Thank you.